Hello friends, welcome back to Industrial Learning, and today onwards I'm going to start training on NX software as I have already committed. So first of all I will start with the basic fundamentals of NX like commands and module, and then we will start with the part designing and then assembly. Once we will finish with the part designing and assembly, then we will move towards the sheet metal parts, that is whatever a product that is made of sheet metal, and we will see how to make a press tool for the same. And further, if you go towards, then we will see the parts of a plastic zinc or aluminiums like that, and we will make the mold also or die casting mold for that in NX software. And further we will see how to use CAM version of the NX for manufacturing purpose, like how to program for running a CNC machine like that and all. So our but it will take a long run, but definitely we'll see all these things. So just let's start. So before we proceed forwards, first of all let us know some basic history of NX. That is like NX was formerly known as Unigraphics. All of you must know about this, because if someone is talking about Unigraphics, means definitely they are talking about NX. So basically NX or Unigraphics, this is an advanced high-end CAD, CAM and CAE based software. Means CAD represents here computer aided design, CAM represents here computer aided manufacturing, and CAE represents here computer aided engineering. That the software that was owned by Siemens PLM software in 2007, and it purchased an SDRC idea based and began an effort to integrate aspects of both software packages into single product, which become Unigraphics NX, or we can say this simply NX. So basically, the developer of NX software is Siemens PLM software, and the first initial release of this software was in 1973. That is near about 47 years ago from now. And if we talk about the among other tasks that is performed over here, that is the design, that is parametric and direct solid surface modeling. Next, that is engineering analysis like static, dynamic, electromagnetic, thermal using finite elements methods, and fluid using the finite volume methods. Next, manufacturing finished design by using include machining methods. And NX, if we talk about the similar software or its competitor, that then CATIA, Creo, Autodesk Inventor or SolidWorks are common well-known software which are similar to this NX, but you should know that NX is advanced than all these other softwares. So that's all for today friends, and we will continue from here only next session onwards, and the link for next session will be given in description box when it will be available. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe, as well as if you like this session, then don't forget to hit like. That's all. Thank you.